Hello guys. So today EditorX released the most amazing feature. You can find it in the community X. This is the comments feature. So basically now teams can work together and communicate between each other, with each other. So you can add a comment on specific item and reply to this comment and other stuff. So if you remember in the event, and those who watch the event, so
You told us what you want,
release,
and we built it for
they
you.
gave a teaser
EditorX,
about what is going,
the advanced
it's
website
coming.
creation.
So
Lean into your
let's
creative
see.
curiosity to craft extraordinary displays of content, managed through an integrated code-free CMS. Advanced layouting tools powered by CSS Grid, and custom breakpoints to fit any screen size imaginable. Transform web experiences with robust e-commerce solutions and unlock the potential to build advanced web applications with custom JavaScript and APIs
This is
on a
variable
built-in
ready,
open development platform.
and here it is, the comments on stage.
Collaboration from teamwork to client handover.
Alright, so this one is released today. Alright, so what I did, I choose some templates from the templates page, and I create another dummy account just for test this comments feature. So you can see that this site have another contributors, so it's like I'm working with another person. And in the dashboard you can see that I gave him this man, this is legend, I give him like a website designer role. Okay, so this is my site, this is the editor, and now I want to leave a comment on some element and see what's happened. Okay, so let's say we want to change this image, okay, but I don't know which image. I mean, I'm just saying. Okay, so I want to leave, oh, you can find the comments here. Okay, you can see now this is new. Basically you will see this only after you save your site. I mean, after you create a new site, you need to save it, and then you will see the comments. Okay, so you can comment to yourself. I mean, it's not, you don't have to put it like in specific element. You can just if let's say you want to add a comment to your homepage, like to do add another feature that is coming up is, so it's like add hover effect. Okay, so it's like a note, so you will need to remember what to do, and you can filter it to my comments, and if you comment with another person, so we'll see this maybe later. And so we want to change this image. So this one is called David Blatt. So let's see, we can, in the forums they said like we can add this before and tag them. Okay, so I will try it. So boom, it came up, the only person that is collaborate with me in this site. So David, can you change this image and send? All right, so if let's close it. Okay, so if I click this one, if I click, okay, you can see it's marked with blue. So if I click it, I can see it. You can see this comment. Alright, nice. So now I will go to my other account, David Blatt account, and I will go to my email, and boom, there is new. Oh, my site is called Comment Test. Okay, you can see I have both sites in different account. So I will go to my email and I can see comments test, and I have a message, new comment from Matania 60. David Blatt, can you change this image? Okay, so let's click it. Alright, so I click specific this, I click to view this comment, right? So we will go to inside the editor, and boom, this is open for me, and I see the comment, but where it is on the page. So if I click this, it scrolls to the element and select it. So I know exactly what I need to change, right? So let's change this image and set, I don't know. So we change this image, and we can reply to Matania and said, sure, done. Okay, so let's save it. And if I view, oh, it's open here. So if I view my site again, so basically it should update without refreshing, but let's see. So now if I go to this, this image is changed, and now if I go to the message, to the comment, I can see, okay, this is the original stuff that I sent, and I should see the reply, right? So where did the reply? 3 minutes ago. Wait, did I I not reply. Okay, so show done, and I click send. Alright, so now I send it. So let's go here, and it should pop up right here. Right. Oh, I have one reply, so I click here and I see show done. This is insane. Alright, so this is resolved, right? So I can click resolve or edit, or okay, cool. So I can send a message, I can resolve this, okay, and now it's gone. And I can go to resolve, and it's only, oh, so I did some testing, so this is already here, but okay, so my comment and open issues, this is the to-do that I did. Right, great. So what happened if I add a comment inside an inner page? So let's write another one. Okay, so let's say to David, David, please change this button background color. Alright, send. So you can see that the comments is per page, right? Because I don't see. Let's go to home. Oh, I did it on a master section. So master section is currently this is like the footer, so it's applied on all pages. So I can see it here and the inner page also in the career. But if I will add another page, let's add a new page, and okay, this is a new page, and we'll remove the footer from here. So let's remove from page, and boom, the message is gone, right? You can see how it's back because this message is applied to the footer, and the footer is master and it exists in this page. But when I remove it, the message is no longer here, right? Amazing. So what else we should review? I mean, that's it, I think. But I think this is amazing. Now I can work with someone else and tell him exactly what I need to do, especially if I use with some freelancer or whatever, instead of endless emails and stuff. I can set exactly what I want. I mean, I have this video box and I like it, but I want to change only the behavior. I mean, I don't want it to play automatically, I want it to play on click. So let's say I am a client and I don't want to go to the site and do and play with stuff. I just want to tell the designer what to do, what we all hate that they tell us what to do exactly. But this is an amazing solution, and you can see the all notification that I get in the mail. I can see exactly when I click it. You see that I type another message, so I can see it right here. Oh, I delete it. So here, please change button background color. So this feature is amazing. So play with it, and if you came across with some bug or something, so go to help and report a bug, and you will help everybody. Alright, so we will wait to the next amazing feature that EditorX keep bring us.